In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a semi-log graph in Google Sheets. This is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your data visualization, especially when dealing with data sets that exhibit exponential relationships. So, let's get started and walk you through the step-by-step process. First, begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't done so already, make sure that your data is neatly organized in rows and columns. You'll want to check that each series of data you intend to include in your graph is properly labeled and ready for easy selection. Now, once your sheet is ready, go ahead and select all the cells that contain the data you want to include in your graph. This can be done by clicking and dragging over the cells you want to use, making sure you've got every piece of information necessary for your analysis. Next, navigate your cursor to the top menu and click on Insert. This will open up a drop-down menu where you will find the Chart option. Click Chart and a default chart will appear in your sheet, usually as a column chart. Once your chart appears, click on it to activate the chart editor on the right side of your screen. This is where you can start fine-tuning different aspects of your chart. First, head to the Customize tab found in the chart editor. Here, you will have access to various options that will allow you to customize your graph to better suit your data's needs. Inside the Customize menu, click on Series. You will see various options. Click on Error bars and Data labels to further detail your graph. This not only enhances clarity, but also makes your chart more informative at a quick glance. Proceed to enable the Trendline option. A trend line can help visualize the overarching trends in your data, aiding in analyzing long-term movements. Now, let's focus on setting the scales. Start by selecting the horizontal axis in the chart editor and enable the log scale option. Follow the same process for the vertical axis to maintain consistency. Using a logarithmic scale can help you better analyze data that grows exponentially. Once you've adjusted your axes to logarithmic, return to the Series menu and activate the Data Labels option to make sure your data points are clear and labeled directly on the graph. Finally, select the Trend line again and take a moment to customize the linear color. Choosing the right color for your trend line can make a huge difference in the visual impact and clarity of your graph, ensuring it is easy to read and aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it. You've successfully created a semi-log graph in Google Sheets. With these steps, you'll be able to convey your data story more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.